Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Cage Metrics by Riffclown. A little tidbit for you here. Riffclown had Sudoku adventure number 1, number 51, and now is getting number 101. So we've got a pattern going on here. So what is this puzzle? Well, we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. So in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. Additionally, we have these killer cages in the grid. They're designated with these dotted outlines, and digits can't repeat. So, for example, if I put a 3 here, I can't repeat a 3 over here, even though normally in Sudoku you absolutely could, but because they share the same cage, you cannot. Additionally, digits in the cage sum to the value in the top left. So if this was, say, 2, 1, and 4, that would sum to 7, and that would be one way to complete that cage. All right, so those are the rules. You can check the description for a link to solve this yourself, and I am going to get started right now. All right, so the 7s and 21s are basically I don't know if given is the right word, but let's talk about 21 first. First of all, there's 6 cells here, and you can't repeat, so you're going to put 1 through 6 in there once each because you can't repeat. And those are the numbers we have. And luckily, those do sum to 21. So we don't really need the sum of these 21. Really, they're like extra regions. And that's commonly done where, yes, we have an extra region constraint, but if you're using killer cages anyway, you may as well just put the killer cage in there. The other thing is 7 and 3. There is only one way to get 7 and 3, which is 1, 2, 4, without repeating. So that's 1, 2, 4, and that's 1, 2, 4. And then we can completely ignore our cage sums now. So the remaining digits here are going to be 3, 5, 6. So I don't know if that's worth penciling or not, but I did. I noticed that this 21 cage, this 5 sees almost the entirety of the 21 cage. And like I said, it has all the digits, so it needs a 5. So that's going to be a 5. Let's see. We have a 3, 6 pair now in this cage. So the remaining digits go here. We have 1, we need 2, 4, and 5. Make sure I got that right. And it sees the 5 as well as the 2. So that's the 4. Okay, this column needs a 2. This 2, 5 pair takes it out of here. This 1, 2, 4 takes it out of here. And this 2 takes it out of here. So we get to place a 2 in this column. I think this 6 is doing the same thing the 5 was doing. We can just place the 6, and that's very helpful. I should have looked for the symmetry, but I got distracted by other things that were also interesting. So it's not like I was stuck. This is a 4, 6 pair. We know the order because of this 6. Okay, this pair is 1 and 5. So we know the order because of this 5. Very symmetric. All right. Okay, what do we want to do next? This cage needs 3 more. Let's just pencil it. We need 2, 3, 2, 3, and 4. I'm just looking to see if there's anything. Yeah, the 4 here takes it out of there, which even though I looked, I didn't see. 2, 3 pair looks down. That's not a 2. 2, 5 pair looks right. That's a 3 and a 2. Okay, this should be given. That's a 3. This is given for the box. It's a 6. And it's probably just finishing now. Let's do this trip. Actually, I should be able to spot it. The 4. Yes, the 4 goes here. That's the 1. I did it. And then what do we need here? We need a 1 and a 3. Oh, I haven't filled this. I haven't filled that pair yet. So we'll have to do that in a second. What is this pair? This pair involves a 1. So this is 3 and 1. The 1 goes here, and then this is a 6. Yay. All right, so this is 2, 4, and 1. That's 5 and 2. That's 4 and 2. And we need a 3 and a 5. All right. Nice and quick. Thanks, Riffclown. A nice demonstration of how killer cages can also act as extra regions. And the sum can be given or not. It really doesn't matter. But because we are using killer cages already, there's no reason to introduce another constraint when killer cages will do. So that is done quite often in variants. You will experience that quite a lot if killer is involved. So like in a 9x9, you'll get a 9-cell cage, which sometimes is labeled 45 and sometimes is just empty, depending on what the setter wants to do. All right, cool. Well, again, thank you, Riffclown, and thank you for watching. And if you did enjoy this content, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.